Did you know that we won the rights to the apple pie with the Revolutionary War?
If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our ability.
Hey everyone, glad you're here. It's one of our favorite times of year, and you may be having a little bit of pumpkin fatigue, but I love fall. Halloween, Thanksgiving, moving directly into Christmas, and what does it have to do with anything? It's all about pies and cookies and cakes and friends and family and wine and beer. But today we're going to do a pie, an apple pie, and not just any apple pie, one with the secret ingredient. You have to hold on for what that is. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, comment below. Is it getting hot in here? Oh, we're preheating the oven to 375. Everybody loves a Granny Smith apple. I love Honeycrisp apple. I love all sorts of different types of apple. Use the one you like. Delicious red, maybe not so much. You could. Did you know that we won the rights to the apple pie with the Revolutionary War? Completely made that up. But most people do associate the apple pie with Britain and America, right? Everybody says as American as apple pie. Today we're going a slightly different direction, and we're going to throw a somewhat of a Scottish spin on this, if you will.
I have got to say, this apple pie is so delicious. The combination of these gingersnap cookies, that marmalade, and golden raisins just really will create an outstanding pie if you decide to bring this to Thanksgiving or Christmas. I think no one would be disappointed. You can see that as I'm shaping the pie crust here, I'm going to do something a little different. If you have some edible food gel or food paint, you just add a little bit of water to it and use a completely clean brush, and you can paint the outside of your pie shell. You can see, since this is an apple pie, I'm doing a little apple, and so let's check it out.
So we got all loaded up on the ingredients there. As you can see, it's super simple, right? All the stuff will be in the description below, or you should just watch the video again. You know, it's the technique that makes it special. So this is what we're going to toss into the oven. This is a edible food gel. To give you an idea what's in there, you can get kind of fancy in here if you want. You can see, you know, we got a nice seal on there. We got some slices. Put a little egg on the outside, or you could take some heavy whipping cream and a tablespoon of sugar, whip that up and paint the top, give it a beautiful gloss, so you could win best pie. Best pie on the table show. 2020, 2030, whenever you enter it, whenever you eat it. This is ours. We're going in the oven. We are at 375 and ready to go. Apple pie time. Nice and golden. Just what you're looking for. There we have it. Well, that's some of our decoration. There's not a berry. There's a lot of different textures in here. This is the apples and oranges together, the citrus and the sweetness, and it's not too sweet. The golden raisins come in and give it a real pop of flavor, and again, a different texture. Overall, just really nice. Wasn't the use of those gingersnap cookies genius? We didn't even have to make a pumpkin pie spice mix. It came to us already. We, you know, zinged them up in the food processor. Spread that good flavor all over the pie. And because we have a lot of small pieces of apple, we have more surface area to transfer all of those flavors. This is good stuff. I am thoroughly impressed with this, and I would enter this into a contest, and I think I'd win. I think you'd win. I think we're winning right now. This is just a brilliant pie. Please comment below. Have you ever heard of Scottish apple pie? Do you like apple pie? You might like this one. Orange marmalade. Who knew? Awesome. Tomorrow it's going to be even better, I think. And I'm going to go finish this. And again, follow us, comment below, share this video, make this pie. See you next week. Gotta get something to wash this down. More pie.
I'll help do the dishes if you put that thing back together.
Like the fact that you think that this is okay to do this to a machine, you're gonna be in fucking trouble.
I'm so sorry. Did you put it together already?
Mm-hmm.
How did you do that?
I'm a worker.
That was very impressive. Wow.